In the last episode of our East Iceland adventure, we explored Stúd Lagill, a popular destination featuring basalt columns surrounding a river canyon. We woke up to cold, rainy weather, so we decided to make breakfast and head over to the local organic farm about 10 minutes from our Airbnb. Then we're gonna go to do a waterfall hike. It's supposed to be fabulous. Well, all in all, it's gonna be a great day. The farm also has lodging, a vegetarian lunch buffet, delicious coffee, and most importantly, an amazing friendly cat, Nelson, which we were so excited about.
Where's the kitty?
Hi.
Hi. It's a big cat.
Checking out in the rain to see us.
It's coffee time with Nelson. Don't even think about taking Nelson home. This is his home.
So far we hadn't come close to adopting any cats in Iceland.
With much difficulty and sadness, we left Nelson behind. We've been known to adopt a stray on international trips before if you've watched our previous videos, but Nelson clearly had a home and was well loved by all the guests. We saw the Iceland equivalent of the Loch Ness Monster as we drove to the far end of the lake. The real lesson here is I shouldn't get excited for a forest in a country not famed for its forests, sign a man overly invested in inconsequential things. Well, after that less than stellar review of a forest hike, we decided to skip walking in the forest in the cold rain, proceeded to a waterfall hike that was just on the edge of the boundary of the radar map, showing less rain.
It was pretty adventurous. We just drove out this road, see where it went.
Well, the map in the other area said there was a waterfall here. I had bookmarked it, but I didn't think we could get through.
So what's all trails say? 5 miles?
Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah.
It's windy.
We're waiting in the car.
We're eating in the car. We're gonna have our picnic here. Now it's raining here. Oh well. It's Iceland. Yeah, it's Dala. It's a white mold cheese, got a Viking on it, so I mean.
Am I zipped enough? We're heading out to the tundra, and it could pour at any minute, so we're prepared. We put on all of our layers because we're from Florida. After a picnic in the car, we started the walk to
Strútsfoss,
which is one of the tallest waterfalls in Iceland. The 2 tiers are over 120 meters, or about 400 feet for those of you who haven't figured out the metric system yet. The walk followed a couple rivers up a canyon. It was absolutely stunning. Nelson the cat. Adam wanted to shake Nelson. Nelson has a huge area, and he eats rats and mice, and he takes care of the farm, and he genuinely looks happy.
It's cold here. Where are we?
To the left, we think, is the waterfall. I'm not sure we're going to see it, though. It's pretty cloudy. But at least it's not raining. The rain has stopped for the moment.
it's pretty nice.
Whoa! You hungry?
Yeah.
The trail was easy, beautiful, 2.5 miles, and we saw no one else except if you count reindeer. We didn't go all the way up to the falls because that involved river crossings and was really steep. And best of all, did I mention it wasn't crowded like
Stúd Lagill.
the views of
Strútsfoss.
were blocked by clouds, so we decided to return tomorrow. Now we're gonna get to have all the times. We're gonna have wine time. You would think it's coffee, but it is in fact barley.
Barley.
We went to a barley farm, and so we did not come back with a cat. Adam tried. Nelson was really cute. But we did in fact get barley. We decided, why not use the barley for dinner? We're gonna have roasted potatoes and soup. It's a pretty exciting meal, really. On our next adventure, we trek up to Hengifoss, one of the tallest waterfalls in Iceland, and a popular East Icelandic tourist destination. We repeated our hike to
Strútsfoss
to try to get a view without the clouds, and maybe saw a large migrating puff.